So Bootstrap 5 gives you an option to use a variety of these colors in your application, but how do you use them? Because by default Bootstrap have not included these in their style sheet, since as per them including all of these colors will result into a bloated CSS, and if you are in need of a specific color you can pick that up directly from the library and use it. So in this video I will show you how you can generate CSS for all the colors if you need it. So if you are looking to generate CSS class that is background and text for all the default shades, that is blue, indigo, purple, and these default shades are these things, you can loop through the colors in which is in the utilities file and generate background color for all of them and also text color for all of them. So if I run npm run dev now, you can see that my result will include background color for all of these colors and also the text color. If you are looking to generate the colors for all the shades of gray, here is how you can do that. So all the shades of gray is in the variable grays, and you can loop through that variable and generate background color for each of them. Here is what I am doing. I'll run npm run dev again. And you can see that the resulting CSS will include all the shades of gray, gray dark, gray 100, 200, 300, all of those. There might be a case that you are looking to generate shades for all of the colors and all of their shades, that is you want blue color not just in the base class but also all these things. Even though there is no direct way to do that, here is how you can do that. I have created a map of colors. So for blue, the 100 is this variable and 200 is this variable, so forth and so forth. I have created maps for each of these variables. I loop through all the variables and I generate the background and text for all of them. So if you run npm run dev now, your resulting CSS will contain the classes for all of these, blue 700 and all that. To give you an example of how you can use that, let's say I have a div, I can say background blue 300 and my resulting div will contain the background blue of shade 300. I can change it to 600 if I want the darker shade. But this is not recommended to generate classes for all the shades of all the colors, since it will result into a too much bloated CSS, and you should only use the definite variable which you are looking to use in your application.